while I was living in this family with, had the father and her brother, he had a visitor once who used to be friendly with his wife, and she stopped one time one night when I was there, and she spoke of having to work at Western Union and what a good place that was, and she liked it so much and all. So I must have kept that in my mind, because I decided that I had been with Dal and Ole for long enough that I should get out and try to find work, because my girlfriend had found work at the telephone company. And so I went there, too, to apply for a job. But they wouldn't take me because my parents didn't live in Omaha. So they didn't, so that was out. And I tried a couple of other places, and I wasn't successful. And then all of a sudden I remembered Western Union that this girl had mentioned. And I decided, well, I'll try there. I tried every other place to find a job. And sure enough, they hired me right off without any problem. You know, they didn't care whether my folks lived there or not. So that's how I got into Western Union. And so after a couple of weeks' work, I had enough to rent a room. And my good friend Dorothy decided that she would go along with me and share the room rent. And that's what we did. So I paid $4 a week for my room. And the landlady, once in a while, served meals to some of her roomers, because she had some college kids there from nearby college there that were Creighton University is what it was, dental students. And she used to serve a lunch or a dinner to them for $2. So once in a while I would spend an extra $2. I only made $8, so I had to be very careful of what I was using that money for. But I didn't eat very well in my teenage years. I was hungry most of the time because I didn't have the money to eat. And yet I was walking about 14 or 15 blocks to work and walking back. I didn't ride the streetcars or anything. So, but I was so happy to have a job. And later on, I was there quite a while, because Ed, when I went there, Ed was working early nights, and I was working days because I was a new one, and they were still breaking me in, because I just delivered. My first job there was, they used to have their main office where they accepted the telegrams was down, and this was a Woodman of the World building in Omaha, and it had on the 14th floor, it was the Western Union office, you know, the equipment to run the place. And the office downstairs on the main floor would send up the messages in these carriers, you know, little tubes that shot up the tubes, you know, and then they would land in big baskets that you stood by and wait. They came into the main desk there, and he would sort the position to which they would go, because there were 3 positions that carried, you know, the big city, New York, Cincinnati, and all the rest of them. And he would sort which basket to put them in. Well, when they reached the basket through these carriers that dropped them in, we would take those and deliver them to the positions where they were sending the messages. And so I was working days learning all of that and going to their school to learn how to run the machines then.